Why does your scanner show the P0483 engine code? What does it mean? P0483 is a diagnostic trouble code for cooling fan rationality check malfunction. This error code indicates a cooling fan malfunction where the fan's actual response doesn't match engine control module or powertrain control module commands. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty cooling fan motor, bad fan clutch, wiring issues, blown fuses, defective fan relay. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Volkswagen, Subaru, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.